How to change Facebook account password on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily change your Facebook account password on your iPhone device. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook and make sure you're logged into your account, right? In my case, I'm already logged in, as you can see here on the screen. What you want to do is at the bottom of your screen you can see various options. You can see home, friends, and video, marketplace, notification, and menu option at the bottom right corner of your screen. You want to simply tap on menu option at the bottom right corner of your screen here. Now here it's taking me directly to change password, but if you just head in here you can see various options. Once you tap on menu here, you should get an interface like this. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on your icon at the top right corner of your screen that you can see along with the search icon. Simply tap on your icon and it will take you to settings and privacy option. Now here you can see various options. You can see account option, and under it you can see personal and account information, and below it you can see password and security. You want to simply tap on password and security option and you should head into this page. Now here what you want to do is under login you can see change password option. You want to simply tap on it. Now here you want to simply type in your current password. You want to type in your new password and retype your new password and simply tap on update password, and you'll be able to change your password. So this way you can change your Facebook password on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.